How to log into your Jupiter Crypto account. First of all, open Jupiter Crypto on your device and you will be seeing this type of interface. Now to sign into your device or your account, you can see the option of import wallet. Go ahead and tap on import wallet and tap on continue. The next step is to enter your 12 to 24 word secret recovery phrase. So you can just go ahead and paste your phrase, or you can individually add it if you had noted it somewhere. So after you do, just go ahead and tap on continue and then you can easily sign into your account. For example, you will be given this type of interface or this type of security code. Once you do this, you can see the code, go ahead and copy it and you can paste the code. This way you can easily sign in or log into your Jupiter Crypto account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.